SWOT analysis is powerful on its own, but when you combine it with other strategic frameworks, it becomes even sharper. In this video, we'll show how to integrate SWOT with tools like PESTEL and Porter's 5 Forces to get a fuller, more nuanced view of your environment and options. Let's start with PESTEL. This framework analyzes macro-environmental factors: political, economic, social, technological, environmental, and legal. Where SWOT tells you what's happening inside and around your business, PESTEL helps you identify broader external trends that could become threats or opportunities. Use PESTEL to feed your SWOT. For example, a new privacy regulation, legal, might be a threat. A growing eco-conscious market, environmental, might be an opportunity. When paired together, PESTEL expands your awareness so your SWOT isn't just reactive, it's informed by the bigger picture. Next is Porter's 5 Forces. This model helps you analyze the competitive structure of your industry by assessing 5 key forces: competitive rivalry, threat of new entrants, threat of substitutes, bargaining power of suppliers, and bargaining power of customers. This tool is perfect for sharpening your SWOT analysis, especially around strengths and threats. For example, if you find that your customers have a lot of alternative substitutes, you may need to strengthen your value proposition. If the threat of new entrants is high, your SWOT threats list should include disruption risks, and your strengths should include what makes you hard to replicate. Combining SWOT and Porter's gives you a more strategic lens on your position in the market. Not just what you're good at, but why it matters in your industry's dynamics. Another great integration is using SWOT alongside a value chain analysis. Here you map the stages of your operations like R&D, manufacturing, sales, and customer service, and assess where your strengths and weaknesses show up. This turns your SWOT into operational insight. Where are you creating value efficiently? Where are you losing it? These frameworks work best together because they answer different questions. What's happening internally and externally? What's shaping the environment? How is the industry structured? Where are we creating or leaking value? Together, they form a holistic strategy toolkit. Use PESTEL and Porter's to deepen your SWOT. Use SWOT to summarize and communicate what these deeper analyses reveal. In your strategic planning, don't rely on just one lens. Combine tools to sharpen your vision and build more resilient, high-impact strategies.